What's going on, guys? It's Aaron with Lansing Lawn Service. We are at the MGIA Show in Novi, Michigan, and we're going to take you along. Thank you for watching this video today. Please hit that subscribe button and join the lawn crew. Also, if you really enjoy this video, smash that like button and be sure to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button just to stay notified when we put out a new video. Also, check out our Amazon affiliate links down in the description. Those links take you to different products that we are affiliated with, and when you click on that affiliate link and purchase that item, we get a small kickback from the purchase of that item, and that just helps us to continue creating awesome content like this video. Now back to the video. I'm here at trailer booth, Kelly & Sons. What do you guys think?
This one's pretty wide.
Pretty sweet. Kind of thinking about it.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Alright guys, this is what I'm talking about. This is my kind of setup here. Dodge Ram 2500, heavy duty. Beautiful Western plow on front. Awesome. So I'm a little disappointed that Toro didn't make a showing here at the MGIA, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. So I mean, there's like a dingo over here, but other than that, they don't have a presence. Exmark is here because of Weingarts, but you know, I don't know about Toro. But anyway, it's kind of a cool show. It's pretty small, but not too bad.
Take a step back to see the truth around you.
Alright guys, that was the MGIA show. I got home and I realized that I forgot to film an outro for my video. So as always, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.